In a cozy little house by the edge of a sleepy town lived a kitten named Mimi. And Mimi had a secret. She thought she was a dog.
Woof! I mean, meow! Fetch time!
She'd watch Rex the golden retriever bark happily and fetch sticks. So, Mimi decided she could do that too. She leapt, she pounced, she rolled into a flower pot. But did that stop her? Not at all.
I almost had it! Nice try, little buddy.
Her woof sounds more like a squeaky toy. Mimi might not bark like a dog or fetch like one. But she had something even better. She made everyone smile. And from that day on, Mimi didn't need to be a dog, because being herself was the best trick of all.
You're perfect, just the way you are, my little dog cat.
What?
I mean,
Perfect!
Did you enjoy our magical story today? Then give it a big thumbs up! And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll never miss another fun adventure here on Marl's Planet! More smiles, more stories, and more magic coming soon!